Hi everyone! It's a really wet, cold, windy day here, very autumnal. The kind of day that's made me want to go into the kitchen and whip up a batch of my very favorite home remedy. It's elderberry syrup. It's the kind of thing that you really want to have on hand for when all the flus and coughs and colds start coming, as they will. My children at the moment, we're on half term, but I know that by next week they'll go back to school, and I'm sure there'll be some little cold and cough and flu-y germs out there. So I want to have them all set up for that, have their immune system right up there working for them. And this whole syrup is full of all those kind of immunity boosting properties. So I'll take you out into the kitchen and show you the really few ingredients you need to make this really amazing elixir almost. So here are the ingredients. First of all, we've got the frozen elderberries. Now these are the fruits that came after we picked those beautiful elder flowers back in May. We made this wonderful cordial that when mixed with sparkling water became a really tasty, zesty, fresh, floral lemonade. But when these berries came 2 months ago, I then picked them, gave them a quick rinse, and then cleaned them. So you want to get all the stems off. The thing about elderberries is that every other part of the berry, besides the actual berry and the flowers, of course, before that, are toxic. So you want to just remove them all, clean them up completely. You can see there's nothing left. It's always got inside this bag. I can open it up so you can see. Inside there is just the fresh frozen berries. And they can go directly into the pot and just defrost and then boil. Perfect. And here we've got a bunch of fresh ginger here. And that's just been peeled and cut up into small pieces. I've got some whole cloves. Love using these. Actually, these come from this health food store in town, which has a whole wall full of spices. I just love looking through them and finding fun stuff. I've got some honey here, and I've got some cinnamon. It's a nice little jar of cinnamon. So let's just start making it, because it's a very simple process. Once it has cooled, you can add honey to taste. You don't want to add it while it's still warm because heat can really damage all the immunity boosting properties that's in honey. Once the honey has dissolved, you can just run the liquid through a sieve and it's ready to drink. It has this wonderful syrupy-like consistency and tastes of berries and goodness.